This new walking beam technology, the slabs are lifted and moved through the furnace, and there's no skid tears in the bottom of the slab. So our quality will be a huge increase. Energy savings is significant, and lower emissions is huge. And thing that why we made the investment.
BusinessJournalDaily.com. 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Who's the only local bank with a mobile mortgage app? Farmers. Download the app to contact your lender, calculate payments, securely scan and upload documents, and check the status of your loan. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal, Farmers.
This is the walking beam furnace. This is the way we heat our slabs for the rolling mill. The project's been going on for roughly 5 years actively. It's been online for about a month now. And this is going to be a huge thing for less emissions, more efficient gas usage to heat our slabs, and a huge step in quality of the slab surface. So our finished product going out to our customers will be a huge increase in the surface quality of the product. It's sized about the same, maybe just a hair larger, but about the same as our existing 3 furnaces. But the old 3 furnaces were 1960, 1970 technology. So this is a huge state-of-the-art jump for this facility.
And how much steel are we talking about? What can this produce?
Let's just break it down on an hour basis, about 395 to 400 tons per hour.
Wow.
So that's somewhere around 20 slabs that they're loading behind me per hour. And that's roughly what our old 3 furnaces could do, depending on the slab size. This furnace is a little longer than most furnaces in the U.S., making it more efficient. The longer the furnace is, the more recuperative heat you get. So it would be one of the most efficient furnaces that Tenova, the manufacturer, has made in the United States. So you see these slabs anywhere between 8 and 11 inches thick, roughly, anywhere between 36 and 54 inches wide. And the length varies depending on the size of the coil we want to make for the extra customer. So these slabs will get put in the furnace, heated to about 2,350 degrees. They'll be discharged. They'll go through several stands of rolling, and they'll come off of this mill as a hot roll coil. Some of that product goes straight to our customers. Further downstreaming here on site would be it gets repickled, which gets rid of the mill scale, gets cold rolled, and we even have a galvanizing, 2 galvanizing lines to galvanize it.
And this is totally different than the 2 reheat furnaces we had. The furnaces used to drop out, scale would fly everywhere. Now it's laid out easily and so much quieter.
Everything was manual. The crane had to put the slabs on the platform. We had to push them off, roll them down the rolls, stick them in the reheat furnaces. Then when the red light came on, push the slab out. All 3 furnaces that work the elevator. Oh, it's a lot. Everything's automation here. Before it was all manual. Everything was manual.
So how impressed are you?
I'm very impressed. It's very amazing. Since I first started here in 1971, it's really amazing here.
Slabs come from multiple suppliers. Right now we're getting them from 5 different suppliers. Over the years it varies. Just basically size, the end use we're doing it. But right now we're slab sourcing from 5 different companies.
Mostly in the United States?
It's a mix right now. I'd say the majority is, for the last 6 months, is in U.S., but some from Brazil. We're actually running trials this month on products that we weren't able to run with the old dropout style furnaces. The old dropout style furnaces actually created defects on the bottom as the slabs dropped out. And in this new walking beam technology, the slabs are lifted and moved through the furnace, and there's no skid tears in the bottom of the slab. So our quality will be a huge increase. Energy savings is significant, and lower emissions is huge. And thing that why we made the investment.
BusinessJournalDaily.com. 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Who's the only local bank with a mobile mortgage app? Farmers. Download the app to contact your lender, calculate payments, securely scan and upload documents, and check the status of your loan. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal, Farmers.